Today I need to locate the metal lath above the sheetrock in the house, and these two things are going to mount something up there. And of course the stud detector, the battery's dead in the stud detector, and what I found that works better than that anyway is these little magnets, these really strong little magnets, because, well, they locate the lath very nicely. You can see exactly the line where they are. The battery doesn't run out. You don't have to make pencil marks. When you reach a screw head, they really stick so you can tell where the screws are. And that's pretty much it. There's no pencil lines to erase, there's no batteries, nothing to forget. I just keep them stuck inside my toolbox, and they're there when I need them. So today they really saved me. Anyway, a way to find a metal lath and screws under sheetrock. Hope you find it useful.